Hi, today I will knit these simple slippers. They are unisex for women and men, and I really like them. These slippers are knitted with 5 mm needles and yarn suitable for this needle size. Cast on 30 stitches, then knit 6 rows in a 1 by 1 rib, 1 knit, 1 purl. Next row, knit all stitches and add 5 stitches evenly across the row. Work 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, an hour. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, an hour. And continue. Now knit 16 rows in stockinette stitches. It's 10-11 centimeters, 4 inches. Mark the 7 middle stitches. Knit until the second marker. Marker and knit 2 stitches together. Wrong side. One slip. Marker. Purl stitches. Marker. Purl 2 stitches together. Right side. One slip. Marker. Knit until the marker. Marker. Knit 2 stitches together. And continue. After the second marker, work 2 stitches together. Now there are 9 stitches left on the needle. Now pick up 11 stitches along the side. 11 stitches. And knit the row. Now pick up 11 stitches along the second side. From the front. Now knit 10 rows in stockinette stitches. This is what it looked like after 10 rows. Then at the end of each row, knit 2 stitches together. Work the row in the wrong side. Work 2 stitches together. And purl. Right side, knit all the row. Knit 2 stitches together and purl. Continue knitting, working 2 stitches together at the end of each row. Now at the end of each row, knit 2 stitches together and pick up 1 stitch from the edge. Right side, knit all stitches. Or 2 stitches together. Pick 1 from edge. Total 9. Wrong side, work purl stitches. Purl 2 together and pick up from edge. Total 9. And continue. Continue like this to the end of the edge. 2 stitches together and take 1 from the edge. And the wrong side, work purl. Now it looks like this. I really like it. Finish with 3 or 4 rows 1 by 1 rib. Just work 1 by 1 rib. I've knitted 3 rows And now bind off all stitches. And that's it. The project is finished. Good luck with your knitting.